Hi everyone, this is Matthew again. Today is 7th of June 2021, and today we'll be trading the Volatility 10 index and Volatility 25 index, touch no touch, and that thing is going up there. I'm going to explain this strategy to you. It's also going up right there. So after this trade, I'm going to explain these strategies to you. And so before we proceed, for those who haven't purchased the TOUCHSCALPER boots, the version 6.1 is out already. As you can see, we won those two trades right there. The version 6.1 is out already. This is the TOUCHSCALPER boot, which works on both deriv and binary.com interface. So the version 6.1 is out. As you can see, some of the results on binary.com interface right there, and also the results on deriv as well. To order the boot is just 9.99 USD. You can make payments using Bitcoin, web money, perfect money, debit card, bank transfer, and other payment options on the order page. All you have to do is to visit www.touchscalper.ctytechnologies.com.ng to order the boot. There's a URL right there, and we're going to paste it in the video description as well. And the PIPSREAPER boot too. So another effective boot that works on deriv and binary.com interface, and you can order the boots on the www.binarypipsreaper.ctytechnologies.com.ng. is just 7.99 USD, and you can see some of the results on the deriv and binary.com interface as well. Just visit the order page to order the boots, and don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies. Here again are the links. There is a link to order the PIPSREAPER boots. We will paste all this in the video description on YouTube, and there is a link to order the TOUCHSCALPER boots. Just check the video description on YouTube. And for those who don't have a trading account, there is a link to sign up for a free trading account to test all our strategies on demo before you go live. And here are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is the first channel, and this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming strategies and more videos. So let's go back to the trading. As stated earlier, we are trading the Volatility 10 index and 25 index, touch no touch. So all you have to do, we are using the web trader. So once you log into your account, webtrader.binary.com, go to the trade, then open the Volatility 10 index, drag it towards the left side, then open the Volatility 25 index as well. On the same page, you drag it towards the right side, then you click on touch no touch, then you select no touch. Here as well, you do the same, select no touch, then you set the durations to 5 ticks. You set the barrier offset to minus 0.498. then for the Volatility 10 index, for the Volatility 25 index, you set the barrier offset to minus 0.423. then you enter your payout, then you are going to be watching this movement here. Once it's pushing up the edges here, you can see it's going up there on the Volatility 10 index. So I clicked on purchase there. Make sure you choose no touch before you click on purchase, and make sure you set everything correctly. The network is kind of slow there. The network is kind of slow right there, so I might have to reload. Let me check the network connection. Still slow, so I might have to reload. Okay, so I've reloaded. Make sure you check everything and make sure all the settings are correct. Before you click on purchase. So let's just wait a bit to see the movement of the chart here, the one movement right here. So once it's pushing up, you can see it's dropping down. So once it's pushing right up, both are dropping down. Look at the edges. Okay, the 25 is going right up there, and the 10 is still down. Okay, so we want the 25 Let's just wait for the 10 to go up. We are watching the edges, the warm edges right there. So the 10 is going up, so let's watch the 25 again. Okay, the 25 is pushing up there. We are watching the edges. We are watching the edges. Don't forget the edges. Make sure it's going up. You can see the wall movement right here. Okay, you can see we want that. So let's go for 10 again. Okay, 10 is going up. And let's close this. Okay, the network is kind of slow there, but you can see we already won the trade there. We already won the trade. Okay, let's go for one more trade before we proceed to another strategy. Let's go for the 25. So 25 is going right up. So as you can see, we made just about $11 plus just within few minutes. So you can go on and on and on. The strategy is guaranteed if you watch the wall movement carefully. Thanks for watching. Bye.